So you're going to start with a slip knot. Make a loop, put that up through the loop and pull. And now you're going to chain. Wrap your yarn around, pull through. Wrap your yarn around, pull through. The chain is what decides how long your project is going to be. So you will chain however many you need for what you're making. So that is your chain. Your first row after you chain is always going to be different than the rest because you're just going to have one loop. So you're going to take this loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So just this one single loop, you're making a single crochet on your first row. So under this loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That is a single crochet. So this is what single crochet looks like when you already have established rows. So if you look at the side, you're going to see these little V's that go along the top, and that's what you're going to be working under. So you're going to go into underneath that first V, and then grab your yarn, pull through, grab your yarn, pull through, and then into the next V. And then underneath the two yarns all along. That is a single crochet. Now we will do double crochet. So grab your yarn, go into the stitch, grab your yarn, pull through, grab your yarn, pull through two, grab your yarn, pull through two. Again, around the yarn, into the stitch, grab your yarn, pull through, grab your yarn, pull through two, pull through two. And that is double crochet. Now we're going to do half double crochet. So wrap the yarn around your hook, go into the stitch, wrap your yarn around, pull through, then wrap your yarn around and pull through all three. Around, into the stitch, wrap your yarn around, pull through, wrap your yarn around and pull through all three. And that is half double crochet. Now we're going to do treble crochet. So you're going to wrap your yarn around twice, go into the stitch, wrap your yarn around, pull through, wrap your yarn around, pull through two, yarn around, pull through two, and yarn over, pull through two. Wrap twice, into the stitch, grab your yarn, pull through, wrap your yarn around, pull through two, pull through two, pull through two. and that is treble crochet. Let's review. We'll do 2 stitches of each of the ones that we learned. Single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and treble crochet.